Hello Leo, you are tuned into Ruhani Guidance and this is your weekly prediction from 28th September to 4th October 2020. Let me remind you, these are general energies. Please take whatever resonates and leave the rest. For personalized readings, you can always reach to me. My email is mentioned in the description box below. Before I start with your weekly energies, I'd like to give you a sound healing session. Please close your eyes, take a deep breath, hold your breath for 3 seconds and release very slowly. Once we are done with the session, open your eyes very slowly and align with your energies. I would like to request you to please close your eyes now, Leo. Looking at your weekly energies now, we've got the Page of Swords and Postponement. Page of Swords here indicates that you've been wanting to start something new, start something afresh. This could also mean that the promise is the beginning is really promising, but you will have to wait for it. You have a card of postponement. You need to take some time off before you start something new. This is something on the lines of going vocal on a social media platform. This could be a new project that involves writing or a new podcast or something that gets published in the mass media. So if this is something that you've been wanting to do, you will have to take a break and you will have to wait for it. On the love front, we've got Queen of Wands and Inner Voice. Queen of Wands here indicates that you could be socializing, you could be having a fun time, you could be the center of attention right now. And someone you've been dealing with in the past would like to reconcile with you. This could also mean that you're listening to your higher self, and this person could also be listening to their higher self, and they will be divinely guided towards you to reconcile, to look beyond the material realm and to collaborate rather than compete. Your cards could also indicate that you could be divinely guided to move into groups that could help you find someone new, that could help you find someone who is who is at the same wavelength as you are. On the work front, we've got the World and Seven of Pentacles. So the World here indicates that you are ending a cycle. This could also indicate that you've been wanting to move on to a place. You've been wanting to move into a phase where things are of an elevated nature. This could also indicate that you would want to go abroad, but there is a delay there. You will have to be patient. You will have to be very, very determined to reach where you want to. This could also mean a foreign opportunity that is in hand, but will take time to materialize, and that's okay, because there is a waiting period of about 7 months plus, and you will have to take this time off, and you will have to sort of align your energies to be a little more compatible with that opportunity. On the health front, we've got Five of Wands and Ace of Swords. So Ace of Swords here could indicate some sort of a health issue related to confrontations. Uh, Five of Wands here indicates that you could be a victim of weak spine, weak back. It could also indicate that you could be going through chronic fatigue, unhealthy weight loss, and over anxiety. You could be really, really anxious. Your energies could be really, really anxious. If we look at advices that we have for you in terms of romance angels, the card is past life relationship. You have known each other before. An advice from your spirit animal: trust in your higher self. And if there has been an issue on your mind that you don't know what to do about it, what would you do, what will happen, the card suggests if you believe. Your crystal of the week is lapis lazuli. This will help you speak. This will help you, speak the truth. Be able to bring out whatever is in your heart. If you don't have a lapis, you can also use a sardonyx, or you could use an apatite, and they would work perfectly fine. Also a firoza, just in case if you have that. So, Leo, this was your weekly prediction from 28th September to 4th October. Please write to me in the comment section below how you find these readings. Are they in alignment with your energies? Because comments is the only thing that I can get to know if these readings are working for you. And until I do the next reading, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and stay home, stay safe, and stay tuned to Ruhani Guidance.